Okay, we're somewhere called Patio da Agulha, which is a pretty cool little patio, by the way. Patios are like these little self-contained, like plaza park kind of stuff. It's hard to explain, but you'll know exactly what it is after I go through it. So just to give you the reference, there's a parking shop. We're going to end up over there because we're going to walk through it and around a little bit, meander, and come out on this side. There's also a moon tower right here, which is this giant apartment building. That gives you a little context of where we are exactly. More. Okay, let's go check out and get into this meandering bit that we want to get into. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So, kind of interesting. This is actually a different patio name, Alfinete Agulha. I'm not sure. We'll find out. So this is kind of follow the signs for this one. Then you're going to see all these little alleys, kind of cool stuff. Yeah, I guess nighttime, I think the filming still looks good. The light, this still same place, right? So we're going to come on in here a little bit and we'll see what we can see. And I know that we can definitely go this way, and there's a little park right there. That might actually turn into the Alfinete. Let me see, this is still Patio Agulha though. So we're still where we want to be. That's that moon tower, tall one. We have these kind of smaller ones right here, right? So this is kind of, keep checking it out. We're gonna come out here in a little bit. Let's just, let's check it out now. So we still need to go around a little bit to that way. But I kind of want to show you this right here because there's, has this little stuff that you can do with your feet. Let's go around the long way. So I want to make sure that I thoroughly do it all before we come back to the loop. A little bit dark. I was out here a little bit earlier and the colors were more vibrant. Well, actually they're quite vibrant, but at this moment it's like a little bit darker, so it's a little bit harder to see. Got a little shine right there. And then we're gonna come on up. And I think this one also has the same name as well. So this has a this was a Rua da Pedra, and then that's that little space right in that space. And we're gonna come around, and I think that, yeah, Rua da Pedra right there. So we actually filmed this street earlier, and now we're back at this patio. And I think the patio, let me just see what the name is of this one. There's a temple right here. Caboish Park is on the other side of this. If you go up the hill a little bit, there's an entrance to the park. Largo. So this is a Rua de Palmeira, and then this is Patane area. But we're gonna walk back into this area. So now you can see we kind of went into that a little bit and we went around a little bit. So we're just gonna show you some of the stuff. This one right here is for circulation, so you can some circulation going. Can't get my shoe on. Okay, so we're gonna walk up a little bit, and now we're gonna come back and kind of check out this little building right here. Has a little Greek or Roman statue or something like that, and then you have this little park, so it's kind of interesting as well. And then now we're back at parking shop and the moon tower. The moon tower is that big monstrous one. Let me just see if we can find a name of the street here. So we're gonna head this way, and then we're gonna come back that way. So I think that had a different name, Patio de Finete or something like that. So that's actually interesting because it's only just, either the patio is just at that little corner, and this one has the bulk of it. So anyways, we'll come back, try to cross over this way. We're looking for cars. No cars. And then, so this has a totally different street. This is all Patane. That's that moon tower again. And that's our little focus, that little tiny little bit right there. So I think it's pretty cool, especially at nighttime. So, so maybe what we'll do is we'll just kind of go through it a little bit again, because it's kind of an interesting little space anyways. Get a little closer into it. And now you can see the nuts little statue up there. We're just gonna go all the way back and kind of fade into where we were before. get these little cool little stuff like that. I like that one. And we're gonna come back through, check out that little rooftop thing. Tiny little rooftop, real small. It's barely, probably just wash clothes there. I think it was me, I'd put a table right there. Yeah, I'd put a table and I don't know, I'd do something kind of cool with it. Okay, so we started over here and now we're back on this street and now we're back here and now we're gonna end it right looking at this alley right here.